In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your LinkedIn profile to make it stand out. LinkedIn is an essential platform for professionals, and having a well-constructed profile can make a significant difference in your career. So, let's get started. First, open your LinkedIn account by navigating to the LinkedIn homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the LinkedIn feed. From here, you'll want to go to your profile. Moving on to the top right corner of your screen, you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Select View Profile from this list, which will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, you can start adding more details. Look for an option that says Add Profile section. Click on it to expand a menu that provides various areas you might want to fill in or update. From this expanded menu, choose Add Position. This is where you'll start detailing your work experience. Begin by entering your job title in the designated field. Ensure that this title accurately reflects your role and responsibilities. Once you've done that, it's time to specify your employment type. You'll see options like full-time, part-time, freelance, and so on. Pick the one that best describes your current or most recent position. Next, you'll need to provide the name of the company or organization you worked for. Make sure to spell it correctly, as LinkedIn can often auto-link company profiles with your input. This can add credibility and further details to your work history. The next step is adding your location. This typically includes your city and state or country, depending on how you want to represent your geographic workbase. After entering your location, you'll also want to specify the location type. This could be on-site, remote, or a hybrid setting based on where you were working. After adding location details, you'll choose the date you started working. This involves selecting both the month and the year. Accurate timelines help build a coherent career history on your profile. Following that, you'll choose an industry from a drop-down list to insert your experience into a broader professional context. Now, it's time to describe your work. Write a detailed and engaging description of your job responsibilities, accomplishments, and any noteworthy projects. Be specific and focus on what makes your experience unique. Your profile headline is another critical piece. Craft a catchy and professional headline that captures who you are and what you do. This brief statement is often the first thing people notice, so make it count. Next, add relevant skills to your profile. Consider skills integral to your roles and industry, as they can help you get noticed by potential employers or collaborators. For a more dynamic profile, consider adding media such as videos, documents, or links. This can highlight tangible evidence of your expertise and accomplishments. Finally, after you've input all these details, remember to click Save. This will ensure that all the hard work you've done in updating your profile is safely recorded. There you have it. You've successfully enhanced your LinkedIn profile to better reflect your professional journey. A polished LinkedIn presence can open doors to new opportunities, so keep your profile updated and relevant. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your LinkedIn endeavors.